Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Our US bond yields continues to surge upwards. Abhi 10-year is trading at 277. That is the highest level we have seen since early 2019. The entire US yield curve is rising because they are pricing in faster rate hikes from the US Fed. US economy is going strong, and in spite of this so much of hawkish talk, there is no loss of momentum over there. And high inflation, strong growth is giving the clarity that Fed is going to hike much faster. इसके कारण the bond yields are rising, और जिसका एक positive impact is flowing on the dollar index, and just not the dollar index, because dollar index largely captures the dollar's move against the European and North American currencies. Dollar is strong against even the Asian currencies and other emerging market currencies as well, barring a few commodity players. So जिसका broad base impact is coming on the dollar rupee as well. But अगर offshore का देखें तो dollar rupee still flat. It is trading around 75, 90, 92 levels on the spot reference. That will be around 76.05 on the April futures. So slightly higher if I compare where the futures had closed around 76 and where it could open today, maybe 4-5 paisa higher. But considering the global backdrop, we may see there can be a tendency for the dollar rupee to again move higher today as well. But what could be supportive for the Indian rupee is the oil prices. Brent crude is now trading close to $100 a barrel and continues to drop, which is a big positive for the Indian rupee. So rupee एक कश्मकश में है. एक तरफ oil is falling, which is a positive. दूसरे तरफ dollar index and US bond yields are strong, which is a big negative. And equity markets का आज अगर रुझान देखे एशिया में, it is weak as well. So maybe we can say a 2:1 or a 3:1 in favor of dollar appreciating against the rupee. Bond yields, US dollar trend globally, and the equity markets are indicating a weak rupee today, whereas falling oil prices is indicating a strong rupee. So 3:1 could be the score in favor of weakening Indian rupee. Now, ये हफ्ता is going to be a super truncated week because the week ends on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are holidays. So the weekly expiry is also on Wednesday as well. Now, what are the important levels to watch out on dollar rupee? Last Friday का low था 75.70 on spot. तो जब तक 75.70 के नीचे जाके dollar rupee spot is not trading, the bias is upward. It needs to take out 76.05 on spot levels. Then it can run towards 76.30 or even 76.40 on spot levels. Futures is trading 12-13 paisa above spot. So one way to play is that you can buy the dips on the futures with a stop below 75.80. Second way is you can sell out of money put options. This can be done. There are other kinds of strategies, options strategies which one can do in the upside direction, like seagulls or range forwards, but those have a slight unlimited, they actually have unlimited risk in case the dollar rupee drops unexpectedly lower. But that's why these strategies need to have a stop loss. So these are the ways which you can trade the dollar rupee. Keep in mind 75.70 is the important critical support levels on the spot. जब तक उसके ऊपर है तब तक the bias is slightly upward. Intraday में we will like to see, if we see that the dollar rupee is again slipping into a range after opening, then we may even consider selling straddles. But at this point in time, we are not recommending a short straddle because we don't know how far the dollar rupee will rise based on the global factors. So we are sticking with the directional view, जो है slightly upward, as long as 75-70 के ऊपर dollar rupee है spot में. Offshore in the cross currencies, yen INR is a sell on rise, and JPYINR is as well weak as well, and so is Euro INR. But if I have to pick one cross currency out of the three, it will be it will be yen INR, because yen is getting hammered by a strong dollar index on one side and the sharply rising US bond yields on the other. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.